Embrace is the leading tool for mobile engineers who want to maintain fast, stable, and highly performant games. Our Unity Verified SDK captures 100% of user sessions, while our dashboards provide you with the insight you need to identify and resolve performance risks early on. As a Unity developer, you can use Embrace to resolve critical gameplay issues like native crashes, as well as exceptions within the Unity layer. Not only do you get a stack trace of every issue, but you'll be able to retrace every single user's gameplay experience with our user timeline. This enables you to analyze any issue within the context of a full trail of technical events, like network calls, state changes, breadcrumbs, and more. Plus, Embrace lets you solve ANRs in both the Unity and Android layers. We correlate our data with ANRs captured by the Google Play Console, so you can immediately tackle the issues impacting your game's Play Store ranking. And unlike other tools out there, Embrace also provides dedicated ANR analysis of all your C# frames leading up to a block thread. So no matter what the issue is in your game, Embrace has the Unity tools to help you resolve it.